Okay. Hi guys, welcome to
Taking Risk in the Kitchen.
And today we brought a really nice recipe. Juliet is gonna show you what, Juliet?
It's how to make carrot cake.
Yeah, carrot cake.
But it's not the Brazilian version, English version, people.
Exactly, the English version with the nice frosting. But today we have agreed to not
tell you guys to like, not to tell anyone to subscribe, not to tell anyone to ring the notifications, and not to tell anyone to share.
Share! No, we're not gonna tell. We already told them. Oh no, yes, we already told you guys. But don't forget to follow us until the end of this video, so you're gonna be seeing how this cake is really nice and we're gonna be tasting it. But now, don't forget to check the recipe below here. All the ingredients are listed, and follow us until the end of the recipe. See you soon!
Guys, for our first ingredient on the recipe is 113 milliliters of vegetable oil. Then with my 100 grams of brown sugar and 200 grams of white sugar, I already mixed them together. So we put it in with the oil. Now we whisk it with a whisk. Okay guys, so this is what it should be looking right now. Now we're going to put 1 egg for each. Three eggs each, and each egg you put, you need to mix with a whisk. Not a spatula, but with a whisk. Now I add in the second egg. Okay guys, now we put half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now you put half a teaspoon of ginger. The room is getting livelier and livelier with all these new smells in the air. Now we add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add it in here. First of all, put these things back so it's easier for you. Mix it. Continue mixing a little bit more. Then just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it. Little pieces if there are pieces. Okay, now we add 300 grams of carrot. Put this on the side. Mix it. I know it looks a little bit weird, but it's part of the recipe. Now we add 250 grams of flour. Put that aside, the bowl. Then mix it all in. Okay guys, so now since we mixed it well, now we're gonna add 130 grams chopped pecan. Mix it very well. It's a weird looking recipe, but it's sure gonna taste good. Now I'm gonna move this aside. Put this aside. Now we're going to put it into a baking tray. Then we just tip it in. Okay guys, now we have done it. Okay, now we're going to put it in the preheated oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees, and let it bake for 30 minutes. 30. Guys, now for the icing or frosting, as you guys might say. So first, we're going to put 300 grams of icing sugar. It may create a little bit of fog in your kitchen. Then we're going to add 120 grams of unsalted butter. Now we're going to put 220 grams of cream cheese cold. And since it's a little bit hard for me to take out, I'm using a spatula. This. Good. Put those aside. Now we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Full. And then add it one more time. Guys, now we're going to mix it slowly. Okay guys, now that I mixed it very, very well, we are just gonna leave the frosting aside until the cake is baked, and we put the frosting on the cake. Now that the cake has been done, we let it cool down, we sliced it open, and now we're going to put the frosting in between. Okay, just use a spoon to put it on here. Then with the spatula, we spread it out. Guys, okay, now we are going to flip it over the top. I'll just continue the same for the top bit. Get out all this. Spread it all over so it's nice and good. Okay guys, now that the frosting is done, we're gonna have to come to the worst part for you guys, the trying. Okay guys, thank you for staying to the end. So, you want to see how it went? It went amazing.
Really, really nice. Guys, it's amazing. The smell in here, it's really, really delicious. Now it's time for us to try. Shall we try?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's cut it. Look at how fluffy is it.
Oh, I That is delicious.
Now it's your turn to talk with a mouthful, right? Look at who is talking now, guys. It's really irresistible.
Hey. But now you're the one talking with your mouthful.
Oh.
Am I supposed to be the one who needs to be blamed? Guys, comment down below if I'm the one that's supposed to be blamed.
Guys, I'm sorry. It's really good. You really have to try it home. It's completely different than the Brazilian one, but it tastes just delicious. If you like it, leave your like, put in your comments below, share it, but now we going to eat our cakes. And if you want it, you have it to try. Yes?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.